Hello, I am Carmen. Today I want to draw with you the topic I own my voice. We will be using an algorithm which is called 3 layers of self, and it's a Neurographica asset. It's part of the neurosynthesis model. So let's do it. So first we write down words in 2 minutes to activate our brain connections to the topic. And read some of my words to you. Expression, light, business, channel, hope for the world, joy, listen to and following my intuition, weightlessness, giving out, confidence, light, purpose, power. And draw three circles which are inside of each other without thinking much. So they are representing my 3 layers of self. Adjust their sizes. So the inner circle represents my essence, which is the spirit saved in the body. Like the spirit is also saved in the body. It's not only in the body, obviously, but it's representing my spirit and my body both, which seems to be a contradiction, but this is the center. Then the second circle is representing my personality, my qualities, and also my set of values, my character and everything. And the outer one is how I present myself to the world. It's my persona. So this is the contact. The whole thing represents me, and then these 3 layers of self. We want to own that voice. We need to separate the voice from our mind and the voice which is connected to the higher layers, to the universal love and wisdom, to our intuition. So I'm talking about owning my voice in this sense. Connect to my intuition. So now I feel urgent need to do coloring, and I need So, I'll find some kind of center of my essence, which is the very center, is the very connection part with universal love and wisdom, which is also reflected in our bodies and which is, in fact, in the body, the area of the heart. So, and from this point, I start drawing neurographic lines which don't repeat itself and which collect the energy. I'm drawing them from inside of this place carefully, and I'm leading them through my layers of self into the field. Feet start getting really warm, and my heart feels like full and flooding. I can feel it basically in my heart, what I'm drawing here. And I feel that this connection can be one. So wonderful. I own my voice. I love it. My voice matters. I want to own my voice, and I want it to be heard. Because now doing that, you can feel, yes, there is something that wants to come into the world through me. And now, next layer is my personality, character, qualities. So here, which is creativity, and now I feel I want to have some pink for joy. For joy and fun and maybe humor and lightness and laughing and bringing joy to other people's lives at certain moments. As I do, please make sure that you combine at least 2 segments to each other. This is one of the rules of Neurographica, which are very important if you use colors. This might be what I'm doing right now. I'm learning how to create on YouTube, to make my experiences, my wisdom, whatever wants to come through me, like my wisdom. So great to draw with you. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. It is much more clearer. I have strong, powerful, doubtless satisfaction, fulfillment, yes. So if you want to explore that as well, I invite you. And if you in general are interested in more content like that, you're also invited to subscribe to my channel. You can also write an email to me, draw yourself free, and you get information of how you can work one-on-one with me on your special topics, and you get all my attention, and you'll get all my knowledge and all my energy for your topics. So enjoy owning your voice.